Many businesses are finding that it's no longer enough to respond to trends uncovered by complex business intelligence tools managed and used by a limited few. Epicor Performance Management is an end-to-end solution that removes the barriers to better business insight through a combination of intuitive user experiences, user-driven KPIs, and prepackaged analytics that have real meaning to the business. Epicor EPM leverages the advanced analytical capabilities of the Microsoft platform and incorporates modern Web 2.0 concepts for unprecedented ease of use and ultimately business results. This demo highlight will help you provide a brief look at the Epicor EPM. Here's a look at the Epicor EPM module. I'm going to be starting off within the Epicor software product itself, and you'll notice across the top here where I can have user-definable tabs that will house different key performance indicators and business intelligence cubes. Here's the one that we'll take a look at first, which is my sales dashboard. I'm going to unpin this panel right here to get myself a little more screen real estate, and you'll notice all the different key performance indicators that are on this screen that I can now evaluate my business with. One of the things that I can also do with Epicor EPM is I can add comments to any one of these data cubes, send any of them as an email. I can also export them into Excel pivot tables, PDF, even download them into a PowerPoint for a corporate presentation. I also have the ability with most business intelligence areas here to be able to drill down into any one of these particular areas also. If I'm looking at my top 5 sub-geographies, here's USA, Mexico, and Canada. I can drill specifically into the United States, refresh my data, and take a look at the 3 areas within the US, which are Washington, California, and Oregon. Drilling down one more level within Washington gets me into the sales areas within the Washington state itself, and further down through the product. Here we are now looking within Washington and Spokane, Olympia, Tacoma, etc., and all the corresponding data elements as to how we're doing in that particular region. Not only can I see Epicor EPM within the Epicor software platform itself, but I also have the ability to view that within a web browser. So if you're offline, at home, at a customer site, at a vendor site, I also have the ability to bring up these same metrics in a Canvas environment within a web browser. So here's the exact same one that we were looking at 2 seconds ago within the client side of the software, now out in a web browser, in this case Internet Explorer, and the ability to have the same drill down functions that you saw before inside the Epicor product itself, now out over the web. I also have the ability to design and build my own canvases. I can click on this button up here and design a canvas. This will take me to a screen where I can now start to modify the one that I have in context right here, or have the ability of being able to create new canvases utilizing gems and slicers. We will deliver this module out of the box with approximately 250 pre-built gems and slicers that are a simple drag and drop to build these canvases. If I want to come in over here and create a brand new one, it takes me to a blank slate where I can now start to go down, drill down into my gems, and be able to see the different areas that I might want to create from a user-definable business intelligence canvas. My top 5 items that I am selling, my top 5 parts, all the different areas that I can literally drag and drop into the screen and start to build up different corresponding data elements. I also have the ability to pick different elements up here at the top, maybe looking at something like actuals versus budget, dropping those on here, and very simply, with a little bit of moving around, creating my own canvas that I now want to save off as my own look and feel. So whether I want to delete and start over, save as a new one, overwrite the old, or create a new one and be able to save that off as a canvas list. That's a look at the Epicor EPM.